In this video, I will show how to simplify an exponential expression using the properties of exponents. First, let's recall what it means to simplify an exponential expression. So first, it means that there is no the same base appearing more than once. Second condition is that no power to the power. And the third condition is no negative exponents. And let's take a look at the given expression, and we can see that every condition is violated. So we are going to take care of each one of these problems using the properties of exponents. So first, we are going to interpret the p to the negative 3. So p to the negative 3 is, according to this rule, is the same as 1 over p cubed. So the expression in the first set of parentheses can be rewritten as 12 over p cubed. The expression in the second set of parentheses, there's not much can be done with it, so we can just leave it alone. But the third part of the expression now can be simplified by using this product to the power rule. So when we have a product raised to the power can be applied to each factor in the product. So that means we can rewrite that as 1/4 squared times p squared squared. Next, we are going to move all the coefficients to the front. And we're going to write all the variable expressions on the right side. And now we can use the following rule to get rid of this power to the power in the expression. So that means instead of p squared raised to the power 2, we can write p to the power 4. And now we're going to break the expression into two parts, and we're going to work with the numerical part separately from the variable part. So let's compute what is 12 times 10/3 times 1/4 squared. By the way, 1/4 squared is 1 over 16. So to multiply these rational numbers, we just have to follow the rules. And the main rule here is to simplify before you multiply. So we can definitely reduce everything by 3, then we can reduce everything by 4, then we can reduce things by 2. So the answer is 5/2. So the coefficient of the entire expression is just 5/2. Now what happens with the variable part is that now we can apply the following property of exponents. When we're multiplying two exponential expressions with the same base, we add the exponents. When we divide, we subtract the exponents. So 1 over p cubed times p to the 5th times p to the 4th can be written as p to the power 5 plus 4 minus 3, which is p to the 6th. So the answer to the problem is 5/2 p to the power 6. Now if we look at this expression, we can see that there is no the same base appearing more than once, there is no power to power, and there are no negative exponents. Now, there could be an alternative way of simplifying the expression, but there's only one simplest form. So no matter how you approach this problem, the answer will be 5/2 times p to the power 6.